Everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 4 on the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. Let us start. Take the wheel, I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Actually, the narrator told his wife to take the wheel. I shouted, means the narrator shouted, take the wheel. I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Scrambled moved for the hatch. The narrator told his wife to take the wheel as he moved for the hatch. Hatch means small opening, small door in the deck. Larry and Herb were pumping like madmen. Two helpers, Larry and Herb, were pumping out the water like madmen. Broken timbers hung at crazy angles. Crazy means here odd. Broken timbers hung at odd angles. Broken timbers hung at odd angles. The whole starboard side bulged inwards. The whole means complete. Starboard, now what is starboard? The right hand side of a ship, that is called starboard. The whole right hand side of the ship bulge means basculen inwards. The complete right hand side of the ship was swollen inwards. Cloths, crockery, charts, tins, and toys slosh means moved. About means here and there in deep water. These things were moving here and there in deep water. Actually, the things were floating in deep water. I half swam, half crawled into the children's cabin. The narrator bent into the children's cabin by half swimming and by half crawling. Are you all right? I asked. The narrator asked how they were. The narrator asked if they were all right. The narrator asked if they were all right. Yes, they answered from an upper bunk. Bunk means here berth. Yes, they said yes, they were all right. They answered in affirmative that they were all right, and they answered from an upper berth. But my head hurts a bit. Bit means a little. But my Achilles Sue, the daughter of the narrator, said that there was little pain in her head. My head hurts a bit, said Sue, pointing, means indicating to a big bump. Bump means swelling. And she indicated to a big swelling above her eyes. I had no time to worry about bumped heads because it was emergency time. That's why he had no time to worry about bumped heads, swollen heads. After finding a hammer, screw, canvas, I struggled back on deck. After finding a hammer, screws, and canvas, he came back on deck by struggling hard. With the starboard side burst open. Burst open means stuck open forcibly. With the sideboard burst open, stuck open forcibly, we were taking water with each wave that broke over us, and water was coming. with the each wave that attacked on the ship. If I couldn't make some repairs, B would surely sink. If he could not, he thought if he could not make repairs, they were sure to sink. Somehow I managed to stretch, it means spread canvas. Somehow he was able to stretch canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes. Actually, there were gaps, so he also covered these gaps with secure waterproof hatch covers. Some water continued to stream below, but most of some water continued to stream below to come to flow below, but most of the water was now being deflected, means directed. Actually, direction of the water was changed over the other side. More problems arose when our hand pumps start to block up with the debris floating around the cabins, and the electric pump short circuited. More problems arose. There were more problems when our hand pumps started to block. There was blockage in hand pumps with best material that was floating around the cabin, and that material got stuck in the pumps, and the pumps were blocked. The electric pump short circuit, and there was short circuit in the electric pump. The water level rose threateningly, in dangerous manner. The water level rose in dangerous manner back on deck, and coming back on deck, the narrator found that our two spare pump had been rhythmic twisted overboard, and coming back on deck, he found that our two spare hand pumps had been rhythmic twisted overboard, along with forestay a type of sail, the jib also a type of sail, and dinghy small boats on the ship, and the main anchors. Then I remembered we had another electric pump under the chart room floor. Then the narrator remembered that they had another electric pump under the chart room floor. I connected it to an out pipe. The narrator connected this pump to an out pipe and was thankful to find that it worked, that this pump worked. The night dragged. That means pass with great difficulty, with an endless, bitterly cold routine. What was routine? Pumping, steering, working the radio. Actually, they were trying to find a signal, and they were trying to give signals to other places so that they might get help. That night drag means pass with great difficulty, on with endless means continuous, permanently, bitterly cold routine of pumping. They kept on pumping, steering, they kept on steering the ship, and working the radio to send signals to get help. We were getting no replies to our Mayday calls, but they were not getting signals, replies. The call, to the call they were sending to other places. Midday call, actually, these are emergency call sent on radio by any ship or any boat when they are in problem. See, midday call. What is midday calls? What are midday calls? What are midday calls? Radio signals used by ship in distress calling for help. We were getting no reply. They were sending midday calls, but they were not getting reply to their calls, which was not surprising. Because they were in remote area. They were very far away from the civilized world, which was not surprising. Actually, they were in remote area. They were very far away from the civilized world, where they were because the people were not getting any signal from them, and they were also not getting signal from them. Connection was off. Actually, there was no connection between them. We were which was not surprising in this remote corner of the world.